Welcome. In this will show you how to delete your Underdog fantasy account, so actually let me show you how to do that. So first I'll go to the privacy policy, and if you go to 5.6 it says if you have a registered account you can ask us to deactivate that account by contacting us at support@underdogfantasy.com. We may ask you for other information before we are able to deactivate your account. If you deactivate your account, Underdog may retain certain information, blah blah. Yeah, so basically in order to actually delete or deactivate your account you need to contact them under this email. What you can also do is that you can go into the official Underdog Fantasy website and then screw all the way down, because at the bottom of the page and the footer section there is a link that says contact support, and when you click that you get to your website where you can see a form. Now we want to fill out this form. We can give a reason for contact, which will be account, for example account closure, or not, for example. That is probably what you want to select, and then fill out this form, click on submit and get in touch with the support, because they will be able to deactivate your account. And that is exactly how to delete your Underdog fantasy account. If the series helpful, measure to like the video, and thank you for watching.